Katie here from Katie's World. Thanks for tuning into my channel today. In this video, we're going to be doing a paper piecing from my Magical Lands album. It is not yet released. There will be a direct link below once it is available, but right now you can check out my shop and see all the other fun projects I have to offer. And so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dry as Clear liquid glue with the fine metal tip. And I always start with the largest, the base piece first. I'm just going to add this white layer right on top. And this glue does dry quickly, so I try to move as fast as I can, covering all the areas, trying to keep about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge. You don't want too much glue oozing out that you have to deal with. It does dry clear, but you still don't want a bunch of glue showing. Or I don't even know that it'll show. It dries clear, but I just don't like a bunch of glue coming out. Okay, so there we go. You're gonna have a nice 1/8 of an inch border all the way around, so just try to center it. The nice thing about liquid glue is you have a little bit of wiggle room, time to move it around, but it does dry fast, which is good too. So you don't have to worry about it taking too long to dry. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna add, actually, you might think it's this piece, but it's not. And that is because we want this to actually overlap the image that goes right here. So we're gonna do this piece next, and it's going to be, the blue is gonna go down first. And this lovely camera piece image right here is from Miss Kate Cuttables. Okay, then after the black, you're going to want to glue down the white piece. Now this has a little Mickey head cut out in the middle. Make sure you're doing it straight with the camera, not straight with the image. Hope that's making sense. So you want it to be in line with how the camera looks, so it's in the proper place. And then the red outline just goes on the top. And that lines up with the white circle. And then we have the gold star. Now there are a couple of layers already of cardstock there, so it's going to kind of fold down into that, but so this one you'll just want to hold down for a second and make sure it adheres to the backing so it's not sticking up. Okay, so now we can put down this black piece. That's going to go right over the camera there. Oh, sorry. I have my reference image taped up there. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this. Looks like there's a little bit of paper that didn't get all the way. I can't take too long because, I'm just going to leave it alone because the glue will dry up. Oh. All right, I think that's, oh, see, now I'm bending my tooth. Careful. Okay. There we go. There's that there. Okay, now we just have a few more pieces. Best adventure ever. So it doesn't really matter what order because these don't overlap anything. Now any excess glue, I'll just take my pin and carefully go around to pick that up. Okay, this one. I'm going to lay this down to add the glue because it's very delicate and thin lines. Now I have very thin lines of glue, so it could start drying before I get it down, so I'm just trying to be as quick as possible here. If I can pick it up, that would be nice. Wipe away all this glue. Okay. Now we gotta get it down just right. Making sure it's centered in there. That looks good. Okay. And the final piece. Okay, and don't forget you want to wipe off your tip And your pin before you place it back in. You don't want that glue to clog up in there. Always go up and down with it, just making sure there's no glue to clog it up. I want to thank you so much for watching and for staying to the end. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button or the thumbs up down below. If you'd like to see more of these videos from me, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. And please follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thank you so much again and have a great day.